What is up, YouTube? This is Min from Merge. How are you? It's crazy, you know, this year's about to come to an end, and as soon as we know it, it's going to become a new decade. It's going to become 2020. I want to go over ways that we can really implement now to start growing your Instagram today. In 2019 and 2020, which is coming right up, influencer marketing is really prevalent, and I can see that because I'm on both sides. I'm on the business side as well as the influencer side, and I can see that the budgets of companies are only increasing. Businesses are spending more money on influencer marketing and this type of content, as well as growing their social media presence. Over the past couple years, Jess and I have focused on growing our own personal brands to above 50K on Instagram, as well as we've been a part of teams that have grown content creators above 2 million and above. And you know, looking at the numbers and looking at the amount of income that all these businesses are generating, there's a direct correlation when it comes to branding and building your social presence. If you could do a big favor, please hit that like button below. It really helps this YouTube video do better in the algorithm. Thank you, YouTube fam. Also, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that bell notification below to get updated when we do upload every single Wednesday and Friday about content marketing and how to use social media effectively. And ironically, the biggest and most important strategy on growing your Instagram is actually off of Instagram. So the method that we've seen grow our Instagram the fastest in the last couple months and will continue into 2020 is TikTok. And by understanding how TikTok grows Instagram organically, you'll be able to understand how to grow efficiently in other ways when other platforms start to come into the mix. Let me explain. Right now, TikTok is the fastest growing platform. Right now, it actually sits third behind Facebook and Instagram. And if you were on Instagram, let's say 5 years ago, when you could grow organically simply using hashtags and posting, that is what TikTok is now. But because of the speed of the internet, there's so many users coming onto TikTok right away, but they're not posting, they're just consuming content. And you may ask this, what does growing my TikTok have anything to do with actually growing my Instagram? Jess and I had the same question months ago, and I want to actually show you this. Okay, I think the best way to explain this to you is to actually just use a screen recording, okay? So here we are on TikTok, okay? And let's say we go to, let's go to Jess's profile, okay? Once we're on Jessica's profile, why TikTok and growing TikTok is so powerful when it comes to putting people onto Instagram is that there's this one button right here that leads people directly from TikTok to Instagram. Then I can just follow her like that. That's the power of TikTok. You can grow so fast on TikTok that there's so many eyeballs that they'll be able to see what exactly you're doing on Instagram. And if you've never seen my TikTok, here it is. Also, I think another thing that would be very helpful is to actually show you some analytics of TikTok. Okay, first, let's just look at general demographics and highlight any points that I think are worth mentioning. See, just looking at the follower count itself, you can see exactly how much I am gaining every single day. Like yesterday, I gained 1,100 followers in a day, okay? Which is crazy to me. It's hard to do that on Instagram nowadays. And then when it comes to the followers, we can actually scroll down and see exactly where they're coming from. A lot of them are coming from the US, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, all great countries to gain an audience from. Oh, also you can see the actual number of profile visits in the last 7 days. Yeah, we started to really focus on TikTok and we've seen dramatic results from doing that. And this is the part that makes me really laugh. So I'm not gonna lie to you. This YouTube thing, building our channel and creating these videos for you is a grind. It takes a lot of time and the growth is a lot slower than what we're used to on other channels. And a big goal that we had for our channel and for Merge this year was to hit 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 hours of watch time. And we wanted to hit these two variables in combination because that would allow us to monetize our videos. Yes, that would create another stream of passive income, but at the same time, YouTube would push our videos more because YouTube's gonna push monetized videos. Because if you're making money, YouTube's making money. So this is the funny part, okay? When I go back into my TikTok analytics, and let's pick one of my trending videos. Let's see, there's a video of my dad, okay? This video was posted right before Thanksgiving, November 26, 2019, okay? Look at the total playtime. This single video got 80 hours of watch time. And the video itself, guess how long it took? It took us probably 3 takes. Each take was 30 seconds long, right? It took a combination of 10 minutes to make this video, and we got almost 80 hours of watch time. That's baffling. Let's say one of these YouTube videos, it takes us 1 hour to film, 1 hour to script, that's 2 hours, and then 8 hours to edit, and then 2 hours to respond to all comments, that's 12 hours. And that might only get us 10 hours of watch time. Actually, you know, before we go on, I think it's really important for you to actually execute. So I'm gonna pause right now. I want you to open your app store and download TikTok. It's not a joke. And the longer you wait, the less advantage you have by the time you will hop on TikTok. Like, if someone told you where Instagram would be in 10 years from its inception, from its start, you would definitely have started your Instagram a while ago. So I'm telling you now, please download TikTok, and I'll wait. And if you've already downloaded TikTok, just skip ahead a little bit in this video. And I also want to dive a little bit more into the most viral video that I've had on TikTok and kind of show you the analytics in it. So I actually didn't have a pro TikTok account when this video was published, so some of the analytics and some of the data will not be completely thorough, but you will get the point in many ways. So this was my most viral video to date. It had 4.4 million views. It had 526,000 likes. And this is the really cool part to me. It had over 20,000 shares, okay? That means that it's circulating the internet. That means that it's going from one phone to another. In this video, honestly, we got home from grocery shopping. I saw four Teslas in a row, and I thought it would be funny to, you know, just make a video showing the 4 Teslas. And that video got 4.4 million views. You can't have that on Instagram. It's even hard to do that on YouTube nowadays. But TikTok, there's so much attention. There's so many users that just want to consume valuable and entertaining content. So download it, and just see how the app works. But just like any other kind of trending platform, a lot of people ask me, but what if TikTok dies? And the thing is, it might completely die. Like something like an Instagram or YouTube or Facebook that has been around for 5 to 7 to 10 years, which in the life of internet companies is actually a very long time. It's really harder for those types of companies to die because of the experience and history that they've had. If you can leverage everything that is happening on TikTok now and bring those followers back to your main platform, which for me and for a lot of the businesses we work with is Instagram, you should definitely use TikTok and take advantage of that right now. So this is the cool part when it comes to growing your TikTok base and bringing them to Instagram. So let's say, going back, let's just use the last week, okay? In the last week, I'm gonna take a screenshot just to show you guys. Okay, so going back to my profile visits on TikTok, in the last week, the last 7 days, I had 6,294. Let's just round it down to 6,000 profile visits, okay? Do you guys remember that one click away? That one button that you can click on TikTok that brings you directly to your Instagram? Let's say that out of those 6,000 profile visits, let's say 20% of those people are curious, okay? So they click on my Instagram tab from my TikTok. 20% click to Instagram, okay? 20% of 6,000 is 300 people, okay? And let's say, so that means that 300 people are now on IG. I'll move this up for you. And let me know, okay? If bringing you guys in and showing you these screen recordings and kind of explaining to you exactly what I'm talking about through visuals or through writing, let me know if that's helpful in the comment section below. I really want to be able to get these videos out to you as soon as possible as all these changes to the social media algorithms is happening. And the fastest way to do that is just to, you know, cut down the production process, but keep the value when it comes to the information that we're giving you. So now that there are 300 people on my Instagram, let's say 30% of those people decide to click follow. That means from 1 week of TikTok, right? Just being consistent, posting, let's say, 1 video per day. And each video honestly takes 5 minutes to make. 30% people follow from the people that go from TikTok to IG. That's 90 people that are new followers. That's crazy to think about. And I really want you to take a second and understand that concept. From TikTok alone, 1 week of TikTok, not spending that much time, I grew 90 new followers. And that may not seem like a lot, right? But let's say you're consistent with TikTok over the course of a year. Let's see this. How many weeks are there in a year? Okay, there are 52 weeks. 52 weeks in a year. Let's bring this is a little big. Bring this over here. Okay, there's 52 weeks in a year. Make this a little smaller. Okay, this is the crazy part, okay? Because in the social media game, if you truly want to grow, there's really no shortcut. There's just ways to grow. And as long as you're consistent and you do it over and over and over again, you can see really long-term results. It's a long game, guys. So let's say there's 52 weeks in a year, and every week you're gaining 90 new followers, just 90. Okay, what is that? Hey Siri, what is 52 times 90?
52 times 90 is 4,680.
Okay, 4,680 new followers. So you're gaining almost 5,000 new followers in a year, organic, people that already like your content in just 1 year, just from using TikTok, right? And if you implement this TikTok strategy, as well as the other strategies that we've talked about before, you can really see massive amounts of growth. Even though we talked a lot about TikTok in this video, I want to remind you that, in my opinion, Instagram is still the most powerful social media platform because of the one-click away message system, the DM system. You're able to message any single brand or business or individual in the world with just 1 click. Anyone can do that. On YouTube, I like to go over ways that you can invest your time to grow your Instagram, but there's also many ways that you can use ad spend as well to expedite your growth. Now, let's say you do an amazing job of driving profile visits to your Instagram. Now, I want to go back a little bit to Instagram basics and talk about converting those eyeballs into followers. This is really Instagram fundamentals. This is your bio, your profile photo, your professional content, and exactly what it is that you talk about in your captions and your videos, so that any new person that comes to your Instagram profile knows exactly what they're signing up for. And if you optimize all of these aspects, you can actually convert more of the people that are coming to your Instagram profile. And what I mean by this, I actually want to show you. I think that would be easier for me to explain. All right, so going back to our screen recording, let's get rid of this, okay? Wait, let's get rid of this right here. Okay, let's keep this for you to see. Okay, so let's say you're adding, what did we just say? You're adding strong bio, good profile photo, professional videos and photos, specific captions, right? You do all of those things. You do a good job of adding those to your Instagram. What happens next is, instead of converting 30%, right? Old conversion equals 30%. With all of these additional things right here, new conversion is, let's say it's 50%, okay? 300? 300? Yes, it was 300 profile visits every single week. Okay. Sorry guys, it's a little late. But okay, so this was the old amount of profile visits we were getting every single week. 300 from TikTok, you remember that? But instead of converting 30% of those 390 new followers, you're converting 50%. 50% of 300 is what? 150. 150 new followers per week. And in 52 weeks in a year, every week you're adding now, instead of 90, you're adding 150. Hey Siri, what is 150 times 52?
150 times 52 is 7,800.
7,800. So that's what I mean about optimizing conversions, converting more of the eyeballs and profile visits that do enter your Instagram profile. Instead of gaining 4,600 followers over the course of a year from TikTok, you're gaining an extra 7,800. That's a difference of 3,000 new followers. And if you do that across the board from all the types of profile visits you're getting from YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever it's from, that really does add up. Also, when it comes to conversion, the same kind of calculations apply when it comes to the amount of leads that come into your business and the amount that you're actually converting into sales. If you don't know yet or are new to this channel, we run a content marketing agency in Los Angeles called Merge, where we focus on producing amazing photo and video assets, as well as distributing them to help generate more sales, leads, followers, whatever the goal of the business is. And we're building this YouTube channel to be able to spread the information and knowledge that we learn along the way. We make videos every single Wednesday and Friday, so make sure you subscribe below. Hit that bell notification to get updated whenever we do upload. If you're a little lazy and don't want to scroll down, which I am sometimes, you can click this black circle right here as well to subscribe. And also check out these two videos. They should be good for you to watch.